guys at RJ Beach Resort, located at Barangay San Francisco, Sitio Balaring, Barotac, Viejo.
Manong, where are you now? Arya, where are you? The place is so nice.
There's a boat.
Where?
There's so many boats.
Yeah, there's so many boats. Where?
How about you, Oreo? At dahil shy type ang aming princess, ayaw bumaba. Mini street time, and here's our papa listening to God's word with his fellow pastors.
Tommy. Washing time, Anna. What's that now? Toys.
At dahil gusto ko din namang makapag-banding sila sa nature, ayan, nakipaglaro na sa mga pebbles
What are
and
you doing now?
sand. At yung aking madam na Princess Arya ay pakain-kain lang dyan. Ayaw nang tanggalin yung kanyang sunglasses. At ito naman yung aming papa.
Is it nice?
Akala niya ay picture, video pala. And this is the beach. Na I never thought that Barotac Viejo has beautiful beaches pala.
Trying to look for the shell.
At ang aking Jacob ay naghahalukay. Hala, sige, kasi naghahanap siya ng mga
Can you put it here?
shells.
Be, show it to
At
the
hindi pa tuloy.
show it to the camera.
It's a sail.
Yeah.
At binida pa sa kanyang tatay. Na nandito naman ako, anak.
Just we have it.
Ayan.
We're having a
Okay.
fish, yeah. Yeah, we'll buy.
We found some shell.
May nahanap din naman
Nayang
ako. I just don't know. I love shells. And ayan ang aming madam. Nag-appreciate din ng mga shells.
Shell.
And pagkatapos niyan, tatapon.
Uy, ginto.
I found a sail.
And it's nice seeing this kind of view or having this kind of chill after being busy in the city. Diba? And kain time for this Christmas party sa ating mga pastors. Yan.
There's a stream.
And pagkatapos kumain, nagtry kaming maglibot-libot para makita namin yung mga view.
Sa
Ayan, ang ganda, diba?
It's a beautiful place. Sa likod na siya na parte ng Gamay Tao.
Inakyat ko na rin dito yung mga iba pa nilang cottages na umaabot doon hanggang dulo at saka sa likod. Para makita ko na rin yung view na din na napakaganda. And if nature/beach lover ka, Barotac Viejo is the place. And I never thought that they have scenic beaches pala. And pangalawang beach na to na napuntahan namin dito sa Barotac Viejo na maganda talaga. So ayan, marami pang cottages.
Wait lang.
At bumaba na ako, hinayaan ko yung
Oh,
anak ko na
You want to pass by
maka-experience
the
na tumawid ng ng stream.
No.
Ayan.
Yeah, there's so many water.
Yeah, you want to pass by? Hindi ka da.